important is the talking. I have so many ideas, but when I try to put it into words, it's just gone.
Oh, it's okay. I know you can do it. Just let out it. I know you're brilliant. You can do it, okay?
Okay. And this innovative approach will significantly impact current research paradigms. I sound so unconvincing.
Hello, Maya.
Hey, Mom.
Are you okay? I can barely hear you. You sound tense, huh?
I'm okay, Mom. Really, just a big presentation. I promise to use my auto voice tomorrow.
Well, you sound like you're not getting enough sleep either. Well, remember, your voice deserves to be heard in class or even out of it. Don't let those nerves win, yeah?
Okay, Mom.
Hiya. What's your name?
I'm just preparing for my presentation. You done it. Yesterday, right? How did you do it?
Yeah, I did. Oh, this part? Oh, just gotta say it like the outcome is always gonna be X, Y, and Z. You just gotta, make your voice crystal clear and direct.
But you make it look so easy. I just panic and try to cram every thought in a sentence. How did you present it so smoothly?
Yeah, it's not about being astounding. You just gotta be understood. You just gotta make sure that your audience is understood by what you're saying. And when you're saying like contohnya presentation you buat semua kan, you just imagine kalau you takut sangat, you just imagine je yang you tengah present kat orang yang you tak percaya, mesti you tak takut kan, right? Yeah. And most importantly, let your passion for the subject shine through. That's what people love. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for the presentation.
Today, my presentation is about the implications of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is rapidly advancing, and with that power comes significant ethical responsibilities. We need to focus on these three core areas, which is autonomy, improve for millennials.
Maya, can you come here for a second?
Yes, madam.
Maya, you did an excellent job just now. You presented very complex idea with impressive clarity and structure. I could see you choose your word carefully to make your impact stand out.
Thank you, madam. I forced myself to try to connect the ideas, not just recite them. It just feels empowering.
This is exactly it. Effective communication is the crucial skill that transforms a good idea into an actionable one. You demonstrated that you possess it today.
Thank you, madam.